All right. For this lesson, you are going to read a poem called Hunting Snake. You are going to tell me what the narrator did to survive as the snake passes, and make sure you give at least one detail from the poem to support your answer. So you're not just saying what they did, you're saying what in the poem tells you that. Okay, it's not a long poem, so you can read it a couple of times, really try and figure out what it means. Remember, you can listen to it using this link right here. All right, and so make sure you're like telling me in line 5 or in this phrase, we can see what the narrator did to survive as the snake went by. All right, make sure you do both parts. Answer the question and give evidence from the poem to support your answer. Okay, it's important to do both. Let me know if you're having a hard time understanding it. I'm more than happy to help you out. You got this.